Welcome to TechVerse, where we bring you the latest updates and innovations in the world of technology. Today, we're diving into a brand new feature from WhatsApp that's about to make your life a whole lot easier. Beta users can now schedule events directly in private chats. No more jumping between apps to plan your meetings or appointments. Whether you're on Android or iOS, this feature is set to streamline your scheduling game. Let's break it down. WhatsApp is stepping up its game with a brand new feature that's all about convenience. Beta users on both Android and iOS can now schedule events directly in private chats, and it's a game changer. This feature, included in WhatsApp beta version 2.25.3.6 for Android and version 25.2.10.73 for iOS, allows you to create and manage events right within your one-on-one conversations. Previously, event scheduling was only available in group chats, but now, WhatsApp is bringing this functionality to private chats too. According to WA Beta Info, this feature has been in development for a while and is finally rolling out to some beta testers. So, what does this mean for you? Well, say goodbye to juggling external calendars or third-party apps for scheduling personal appointments or one-on-one meetings. Here's how it works. The event creation option is seamlessly integrated into the sharing menu within private chats, right alongside options like camera, gallery, and document sharing. When creating an event, you can input details like the event name, date, time, location, and even generate a WhatsApp video or voice call link. It's all about making your life simpler and more organized. If you're enrolled in the WhatsApp beta program on Android or iOS, you can update your app to check if this feature is available to you. If it's not there yet, don't worry. It's expected to roll out to all users, including non-beta participants, very soon. This new feature is a testament to WhatsApp's commitment to improving user experience. By integrating event scheduling into private chats, they're eliminating the need for extra steps and making it easier than ever to stay on top of your schedule. Whether you're planning a coffee catch-up, a work meeting, or a virtual hangout, this feature has got you covered. So, what do you think about this new addition? Will it make your life easier, or do you prefer using external apps for scheduling? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching TechVerse. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tech news. See you in the next video.